Hey gang, welcome back to Opaw's Diecast Restorations. Today we got another fun one. It's the Hot Wheel Hot Bird. This one's definitely play worn, wheels a little bent, paint chipped off. I believe it's a 77 Pontiac Trans Am Firebird. Hot Wheels chose to call it the Hot Bird. See if we can't spice it up here. Drill out the one post on it. This one came apart real easy. As you can see. And there's the entire car. Drop a Arl before we tap it out. 256 tap. Get our clean up around the post so the base snaps back on real nicely. Front just pops in with the headlight as a tab. Put our 256 button head screw in. Get ready for the stripper. The base was typically corroded, so I put it in my mixture of lime away for about 4 or 5 minutes. After a little minute or two with a brass brush, wire brush, this is how she turned out. Spray it with a clear coat and you're good. Yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, please. Into our favorite stripper, Fifi La Citras. I love the effect this wire wheel puts on afterward. Now a little clean up. Sorry, of course it was focused. clean up with the greaser and cleaner. A little bit of primer. Our base coat. Black, shiny lacquer. Get our interior parts here and the windshield. Nice hot soapy water scrub on them. Our windscreen. After they dry, a little dip in the pledge, revive it. Dab it off. Make sure you dab it off, that's important, or it'll puddle up on you. I went ahead and dipped the interior too. I had highlighted the steering wheel, that's about all that's in there. Cover it up with a little dust protection. Here's what we got ready for reassembly. Here's what we started with. Play-worn Hot Wheels Hot Bird. Here's what we ended up with. New decals, custom license plate, ODR, Opaw's diecast restoration. Would have been better with some clear backing decals, but that's all that I could obtain from my buddy Mark over at Matchbox Mark. Check him out. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. For now, this is Opaw saying goodbye.